This is the part 3 for the create a CI/CD pipeline for .NET. And in this part, we'll be committing the code changes. We'll make some code changes and commit the code changes and execute a CI/CD pipeline. So over to my Azure. So I have again opened our DevOps starter project from the part 1 and part 2. And here I click the repositories to see my repository, application and ARM templates. Now, this is the repos view created by the Git repository by the Azure DevOps project. And to view the repository, clone the URL. Okay, so clone the URL, copy it, but actually I can clone it on my local machine and open it through Visual Studio, but I choose to actually make the changes using the web browser. Okay, so what I will do is I will expand this ASP.NET Core, and then click on pages, and in the pages I'll open the index.cshtml file. In this index.cshtml file, at this line 27, this is div class row. So it was originally written as get started right away. Okay, and that's how we opened when we opened this browser to view our website. It should get started right away. Now we'll make this some change to make it look like get started right away with Azure DevOps. Okay, so what we'll do is get started right away. Cannot edit in read only. So I will click on edit. This is in the edit mode. Get started right away with Azure DevOps. And then I will commit the change. And the commit automatically written updated index.cshtml. Branch is master. That's the only branch I've got. Click on commit. Okay, so it's already committed. Updated index.cshtml. That is the commit message. Next is in the browser. So pipelines. I'll navigate to pipelines. Okay, so batch continuous integration CI for this. Okay, so this is actually running. Okay, so the changes that I have already pushed and committed to the Azure GitHub repository is now it is forming a batch for continuous integration. Okay, it will take some time. Now the build is in progress. You can also see first commit was already success, and then this is running. Right. You can see the build again, just like last time. All of these steps are getting completed one by one. It will take a lot of time, but then we'll come back. We are not in a hurry. I'm just here to demonstrate, to teach you the concepts, to show it right away how it is building everything in front of you. And that's the beauty of using the UI based. Starting the test, giving progress in at all the stages. As one by one, all the stages are getting automatically completed. Publish artifact. Finishing build. No. Build is successful. Okay. But again, there are some steps, initialize job and finalize job. Till everything is over, it will not show the changes, updated changes. So we'll wait again and come back when everything is all done and dusted. Here you can see that release 2 is still in progress. So if I click on release 2, it will show me 4 out of 7 tasks. So it will still be a while before it gets completed. Once it is completed, then if we come here and browse our website, then it will show you the changes. Or if the website is already open, if I click on refresh when it is all done, released, then it will show the updated code, updated changes. Get started right away with Azure DevOps project or whatever, which will come back again and show you it is still running. Release 2 is in progress. Okay. Let this monitor. This is execute Azure SQL, 5 out of 7 tasks. Give me a while. I'll close this window. You can still find after a few minutes, release 2 is still in progress. If I refresh it, it will still be showing the is in progress unless it has already completed by that time. So let's wait for it to refresh. Release 2 is in progress. So this is showing in progress. So now succeeded. Okay, so release 2 succeeded. Now, if we click on browse from here, get started right away with Azure DevOps. Even if we refresh this, we show the same changes, changes updated, changes are already into the release pipeline. It is all released. So it's doing great. It's working the way we'd expect it to work. You can see release 2 running online, SQL database online. Everything is working to the perfection. So thanks for watching this and being patient with me. If you have come to this point, if you are still watching, you would have definitely learned a lot during these 3 parts.